up? It's Kristen. Today I'm going to be doing a Trendsend unboxing for you. If you don't know about Trendsend, there's no styling fee. I think they only charge you like $1, and then they send you 3 outfits. I have a referral code down below. If you use my referral code, I get 20% off. Then you'll get your own referral code, and then you can use that and share that with your viewers or your friends, and then you can receive 20% off. So in the box, you receive some paperwork as well as a return envelope. And in the paperwork here, it has a little style note and what goes together, as well as your price sheet here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to try on, there's 3 outfits. I'm going to try them on, and on the side here you're going to see the outfits on, and I'm going to let you know the prices of each item. So if you like these kind of videos, I do these type of videos all the time. I do quite a few subscription unboxings a month. Please like and subscribe, and let's get to it. So the first outfit is this first top here. It has a little knot there in the corner, and it is the Evereve Bobby, and it's $48, and it's size extra small. They paired that with this jean top. It has a little knot in the front. It's longer in the back, and it's Allison Joy, and it's size small, and it's $78. Next is these camo shorts here from Sanctuary, size 24, and they're $69. Outfit is these cut from the cloth jeans. They look like capris to me, no distressing or anything like that. Size 0, and they are, where's the price? Oh, on the leg, $79. Next is this tank top here that you have. It has like hot pink and gray, and that's a size 0, and it's $58. They paired that with, this looks like to me a kimono, gray and pink and white kimono, and that is Sunday in Brooklyn, and it's a small, extra small, and it's $68. Outfit, or 2 things here. It's not an outfit. This looks like a romper, and it has some bell sleeves here, and it is arty style, and it's extra small, and it's $88. Next, we have, looks like a maxi dress, but at the bottom there's which side is it on here? There's a knot. So let's see. This is Peyton Jensen, color black, size extra small, and it's $68. So what I'll do is I'll let you know at the end what I decided to keep, if anything. And thanks for watching. I really love the romper, but I kind of feel that it needed to be ironed, and it was $88. It looked great on me. It fit perfect, but $88 for that was a little pricey. But I didn't keep anything. We'll try again. Wait till the next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.